What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a quick video once again on a Nissan Altima. This is a 2016. We're going to do the oil change, so I like to remove the oil cap because it kind of plays a sort of a vacuum. So I just take off the oil cap, put it aside wherever you'd like, and then go ahead and lift up the vehicle. Whether you're doing it at home, go ahead and lift it up with jack stands, and then we'll go ahead and we'll go down below. I'm in the shop, so let me lift the vehicle and we'll get this switched over to down below, underneath the engine. Okay, so we're underneath the vehicle. The drain plug is located right underneath the passenger side, and that is a 14mm nut. So we'll go ahead and we'll crack that now. Alright, so once you have it cracked loose, you should be able to go ahead and turn it by hand. And we'll let it drain. Alright, so while that's draining, you want to locate your oil filter, which is located on the passenger side as well, right behind the tire. Behind this shield here. Sometimes there's a clip in here, you'll have to pop the clip, but most times it will be open. You go ahead and grab a tool and loosen it. Sometimes you can loosen it by hand, other times not. So just go ahead and grab yourself a tool like so, basically grippies, and you should be able to go ahead and take that out, put your oil pan underneath it, and install the new one. So we'll do that now. Okay, so now we have our oil filters off. As you can see here, we're replacing with an OEM Nissan oil filter. It's 1528 so 15208 9E01A. That's the oil filter that I'm replacing it with. Over here I have a CarQuest which is R85358. So we're going to replace with OEM. I'm gonna go up in there. Move this for now. So we'll just go ahead and we'll install it right there. Screw it on, and you'll be good. Righty tighty, lefty loopy. Okay, so we have the OEM filter installed, so that's good to go. You're good to go. Go ahead and lower the vehicle, and we're going to proceed with refilling the engine with new oil. So this is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor. It takes 4.9 quarts of oil. 5 is fine, 1 quart over is not going to kill you, but the actual to spec is 4.9. So go ahead and do that now as that drains. We'll fast forward. Alright, that concludes this video. Just clean up your mess. Put the oil cap back on and you are good to go. You want to replace the oil with 4.9 quarts, and the recommended spec is 0W20, and that's it, full synthetic, and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.